Lakshmi Limited of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh is a supplier of machinery. Lakshmi Limited has supplied machinery to PQR Enterprises in Indore, Madhya Pradesh on 1st October 2021. The invoice for supply has been issued on 1st October. Thus, the time of supply of the machinery is 1st October. Lakshmi Limited and PQR Enterprises are not related. Following information is provided. Basic price of the machinery excluding all taxes but including design and engineering charges of 10,000 and loading charges of 20,000 is 20 lakhs. Okay. So now in this case, what has happened is that the basic price of the machinery is 20 lakhs. That includes design and engineering charges and loading charges. Design and engineering charges and loading charges are incidental to be included, and it is already included. So ignore. Don't do anything. Just take 20 lakhs. Okay. Then next. Lakshmi Limited provides 2-year free warranty for the machinery. Lakshmi Limited also provides an extended 1-year warranty on payment of additional charges of 1 lakh, and PQR Enterprises opted for that warranty. Then it is charged by the supplier to recipient before delivery of the goods. It is to be included, and it is not included in the given price because this is additional. So therefore, we need to add this 1 lakh. Then Lakshmi Limited has collected consultancy charges in relation to pre-installation planning 10,000 and freight insurance from place of removal to buyer's premises 20,000. So again, these are to be included before delivery, and therefore it is not included. We will add this 10,000 and 20,000. Then Lakshmi Limited received subsidy of 50,000 from central government for supplying the machinery to backward region. Since receiver was located in the backward region, Lakshmi Limited also received 50,000 from the joint venture partner of PQR Enterprises for making timely supply of the machinery to the recipient. See, generally, this 50,000 rupees is to be included in the value or excluded from the value. So first 50,000 to be included in the value, and in the given price, we need to assume that the given price is after considering subsidy. There are two views that are available. View number 1, if the given price is after considering subsidy. What is the meaning of considering subsidy? Is subsidy income or expenditure? Subsidy is actually income. It's not expenditure. Okay. So when the given price is after considering subsidy means, so when I consider that income, I would have reduced the value to that extent. Correct? So therefore, I will be reducing that money to that extent. So 50,000 rupees is already excluded. In the given price, it is already excluded and it is to be excluded. So ignore. 50,000 rupees is to be excluded. It is already excluded. So ignore. You understood? Then next 50,000 is from whom? From a joint venture partner other than CGRST. And this is for timely supply of machinery. So directly linked to the price to be included. In the given price, it is excluded. In the given price, it is excluded, but it is to be included. In the given price, it is excluded. So we need to add. Okay. So in the absence of information, we will always take one assumption. What is that assumption? That the subsidy is excluded from the given price. And therefore, if it is to be included, you add. If it is not to be included, you ignore. Okay. So therefore, we need to add this 50,000. Sir, I will take another assumption that the given price is without considering the subsidy. Without considering subsidy means subsidy is not yet reduced from the given price. Then, if it is to be excluded, it is not excluded, so we will deduct 50,000. That way also we can take now. But ICAI always follows the assumption that in the absence of information in the question, ICAI will always follow that the price is after considering the subsidy. That's a default assumption. Due to that reason only, we will follow that only for writing exam, so that our answer matches with the suggested answer. Okay. So because many questions they did that way only. That's why. So next one. A cash discount of 1% on basic price of the machinery is offered at the time of supply. So at the time of supply itself, discount is given. 1% of basic price of the machinery. What is the basic price of the machinery? 20,000. So 20,000 into 1%, 20,000. So 21,60,000 on that CGST 9%, SGST 9%. So this is the value. Now see this. So if the PQR enterprise is not making payment within 30 days, then the discount will be recovered. Okay, discount at the rate of 1% was given as it agreed to make the payment within 30 days. The machinery attracts CGST as GST, so compute GST payable. So now whether they made payment or not on time, we don't have the information. Suppose if they made the payment on time, so then it's okay. Otherwise, we would have given the debit note to recover that discount, and on that we will be paying GST. Okay, on inclusive basis. Now here, so this discount 1% on basic price of the machinery, you can also take another answer. Sir, basic price includes 10,000 and 20,000, which means 20 lakhs minus 30,000, that will be 19 lakh 70,000. 19 lakh 70,000 could also be taken into 1%. So that is also correct. That's what they gave in the note. It is also possible to take the discount as 19 lakh 70 into 1% also. But what they said is basic price. Basic price includes these two. So we will take on basic price itself. Both the answers are correct. Both the answers are correct. But you follow whatever is literally given. So 1% of basic price, so you take 20 lakhs into 1% itself. Okay.